Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today's video, I want to show you guys how my breakfast look like. So I started my day, I went to buy waakye. Waakye is like a breakfast everybody consume in Ghana. Then from there, I have some fresh coconut. Then I end the rest of my breakfast buying cocoa. Cocoa is like a porridge I made with millet. You can pair with milk, buffalo, and the rest of the stuff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Make sure you like the video and also share on all social platforms. Thank you. Alright, mommy, three. Na catch yes. Catch yes. And juice.
One. If I got you,
Yeah.
my corner me.
1 year. Ah, sir. Oh, bro, near there. Yeah, my back.
Yes.